What's going on, everyone? Brian from Drywall Nation here. In this video, I wanted to show you the Super and Giant L bead by Trim-Tex. So what exactly is a Super L bead and a Giant L bead? Well, it's like your standard L bead with the exception that it has an extended mud leg and pre-scored lines at the back. So you can see here our total mud leg is 3 1/8. Then we have a pre-scored line at 2 5/8, another at 2 1/8, and one at 1 5/8 inches. Our Giant L bead, same concept. Our extended full mud leg is 5 5/8. We have a pre-scored line at 4 13/16, one at 4 5/16, and another at 3 13/16. So you can see the different options that you have available to you. Now, this door isn't being drywall returned, but if it was, I'll give you an example of what that would look like. So our drywall would be capped on the side here, and typically what most people would do, you would use a corner bead to install over that, and then either J-mold at the back or a flat tearaway, and then you end up having to coat both the front as well as the inside to return that. With the Super L bead, you don't have to coat the inside. You're eliminating that extra time and money in material cost, because you're essentially just returning it right to the window. This is already pre-finished with a vinyl that's ready to paint. So by the time you do all around your door or your window, all you have to do is mud the front. To install this, you run a bead of siliconized acrylic caulk or just straight silicone on the back. That just ensures that the vinyl flange isn't loose and that you have full solid contact on the inside here. And then yeah, you simply mud the face and you're good to go. These are available in 8, 10, and 12-foot lengths, as well as in the archway as well. So I'll show you an example of where we're going to be using this on this particular job site. So on this feature wall, the back side is open. The builder is going to put some recessed LED lighting back here, which is going to illuminate the sides, which will really make this pop. So on the side here, we didn't drywall this outer edge. There's really no sense because we're going to be finishing it with the Super L bead. So this is a 2-inch return. So we've already gone ahead and snapped our pre-scored lines so that we have the desired width of our L bead. Before installing this, we're going to run a bead of silicone along the back here, and then simply stick that on there. The silicone just ensures that the edge of our Super L bead isn't too loose and it's nice and straight along our framing. So once that installs on there like that, we simply mud the face. You don't have to mud the sides, so you saved on time and material, and you're good to go. So I hope this video was helpful and that you were able to learn something. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.